Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. We just left Yambo and thought I'd take you for a little walk. Well, I'm going for a walk anyway, so you might as well just come with me. So yeah, you got the old, what's it called, Crazy Golf? I've noticed the Crazy Golf lately, it doesn't look like it's aimed towards kids. Like, you know, the good places they got a lot of kiddie stuff. It seems to be not aimed towards adults, not really kid themed. Is that the big change of mini golf? I'm not really caught up on my mini golf, but has mini golf changed? Changes, has it, from kids to adults now? Because when I was young, it's all aimed at kids, like a lot of kid theme. This just seems. Imagine taking a kid here. I mean, they have fun, but it looks like it's more aimed at adults. So yeah. So this is mini golf Yambo. I'll show you that little sign. Mini golf Yambo, and you've got a taxi rank right next to it. So yeah. So we did a massive walk around there. Burger King's there as well. A lot of building work today. Oh no, he's just cleaning a car. A jet wash. So, Aqua Beach, Bungalows. Okay, they pay for your parking. So you get car hire as well. Right where we're staying is a car hire company right outside. Actually, the hotel entrance looks like it's something else because of its signage for car hire and stuff. I was quite lucky my daughter's out here, so they had an extra bedroom. So that became my bedroom. Right, let's cross, try not to get killed. Yeah, so we've got Rainbow Room over there, big supermarket. Notice the Mercedonas. There's this really far away Mercedonas from where I'm staying. And we walked to Lidl yesterday. Damn, that was, I don't know if I should make a video of it. I've got to go there later on today. I want to get I'm going to get pizza for my dinner and then grab a few bits for the plane. But yeah, let's go in the sunshine. It's the last day for a few days of sunshine. So yeah, let's keep going. What was I saying? Oh yeah, the Lidl. It says to go, you know, it's 18-minute walk from where we're staying. And tells you to go off road, like you're. And then when you go down there, you notice like there's like sheer drops. There's no actual pavement to take you around to it. So you've got to like walk on the mud to get round. It's quite dangerous. If you had kids, I wouldn't take my kids there. It's really dangerous. You have to get a taxi there if you're with your family. Maybe it's better if you get a load of shopping as well to get a taxi back. I don't remember seeing a taxi rank there though, but definitely you need one. And yeah, we only got a few bits, so it's fine for us. We take a backpack. And I've walked to the, I think it's called a nudist beach in Tenerife. But when you walk to that one's crazy. The old up and down, these cliff edges. CAF 2001. So yeah, it's quite a crazy walk to get to Lidl's there. A little old bike there. It's got a cool old bike. Let's check this Corvette. Very nice. So you've got the social tapas. Reds down the side. So apartments as well. That's got spas. A lot of spas too, actually. but the Lidl's good. I like the bakery. I was at the Lidl's in England before I came out and had nothing. Just like the scrap ends of stuff. So I didn't bother getting anything. I had to buy some overpriced sandwiches. But yeah, you got a spa. This apartment's quite cool. It's like a good little area here. So yeah, let me know where you stay when you come down here. Do you like Puerto Rico? Do you prefer play the English? Where do you stay? Okay, Grand Buffet. Wonder if that's open. Yeah, I'm looking forward to Albufeira on Friday. Gonna be some fun times. Go see Nuno S. It's always good at the Vegas bar. Get a good crowd down there. Three days, 125, it said, for a car. It's not too bad. Okay, for 16 minutes. So I think a lot of those big supermarkets are quite far away. In Tenerife, you've got Mercedonas everywhere. The big one up near the road, that's my favourite one, near the Burger King. Check this price here for a beer. $1.50 for a beer. Can't beat that price. Look at that. $1.50. Well, you can. If you do it for €1, you can beat it. I think I've seen somewhere that they got a happy hour in Tenerife where they do the Euro beer. Actually, Gran Canaria has the cheapest beer in the whole of Europe, which I don't think people know about. But you've got to go up to the capital, and there's a local bar. I'm unsure of the name. Someone did tell me when I was out in Zante. They said basically go up there, and I have to Google. It's like a 30 cents for a pint. So it does get really busy in there for the locals, because 30 cents for a beer, that's like taking it back to, I don't know, I've never been to Spain and had a 30 cents beer, so let me know when you came to Spain and you had that cheap. Was it when it was pesetas? There's a casino over there. But yeah, another spa, see? One after the other spas. It's like they've got their monopoly here, the Gran Canaria. I don't find them cheap. Oh, another mini golf, and this one looks like it's aimed at children. So, as I was saying, I guess Jumbo, is it really made for children? Jumbo Centre? I don't think so. Yeah, a lot more blues and popping colours. That's what I expect from a mini golf. Popping colours, fun themes. Where's the windmill? I didn't see a windmill at that other one, it's very, like, hit it up a hill, hit it down a hill, round the circles. Where's the windmill? Where's the, get it through this one and it pops out somewhere else. But yeah. A doggy over there. So good vibes. Very cool. I have no idea where I'm going. So, I've never really explored like this before. But we're going to explore together. I'm guessing the sea's over to my left. It's just a guess. Sabrina would say she's been being a tourist today. I'm always a tourist, I'm never a local. Sometimes I get treated like a local though, because they can't tell where I'm from. Last night actually, it was the first time Amber, my daughter, was with me, and the guy said to me, "Where are you from?" And I said, "England." No, he said, "Oh, let me guess, let me guess." And he said, "Italy." I said, "No." He said, "Spain." I said, "No." He was like, "Cyprus." I said, "No." He said, "Greece." I said, "No." Obviously, every time I say no, I'm saying it in an English accent. And obviously I said to him in English. He said, "No, no, no, no." He's like, "You don't look English." I'm like, "Okay, cheers, buddy." And then he looked at my daughter, and she's a lot paler than me. I don't think you've ever seen my daughter, but yeah, she's a lot more pale skinned, and but she's got black features like the nose and stuff. And he looked straight out and said to her, "You're not English either." I said, "Really?" He said, "Yeah, like South American." So that made her really happy. She kind of took that as a compliment. I find it funny. Whenever I'm out of England, I'm not English. They think I'm from everywhere else. That's a nice Beamer. Quite like looking at it. I was at the 6 Series. I do want a 6 Series next. I've got a 5 Series at the moment. 520D. I had a 320D. 2016 model. Went for an older one this time. Got myself a 520D. I think it's 2011. I like it. I like having a bigger car. Can't stand. I was in roads and had a little poxy car like this. And you put your foot down, nothing happens, and you're just like, come on, I need something, and the car just can't give you anything. It's very disappointing when you're trying to go fast and you just can't do it. But yeah, that's why I drive big cars. I was trying to overtake a lorry one time when I had a Citroen. It was a 2 litre and it had good mid-range power, but I was trying to overtake a lorry, and there's a European lorry, so you just sped up. He was trying to be a dick for some reason. He sped up, so I was a bit like, damn, I have to go faster. And he kept going faster. I was thinking, my God, look, he's playing a game with me here. I managed to get past him. My car's a lot faster than that, but yeah, a bit dangerous. So from that point onwards, I made sure to have a much faster car, so I'm never getting caught out like that again. But yeah, guys, make sure you're subscribed, yeah? Like and share, and check this place out. It's another spa inside a massive castle. Bit of a longer video, this one. Let's check out this place here. Is it open? What is it? Check the squeezer out. Okay. What's this? Let's go to the shopping centre. So many shopping centres. And they've got like nightclubs and bars in there as well. I'll check the car out as well. Playboy VIP Bunny Club. So yeah, shopping centre, Hyperdona, spa. But yeah, let's end the video here. Next I don't know what he is or who he is, but it's a cool car, sorry. But guys, yeah, thank you for watching. And yeah, make sure you like, comment and share the video to all your friends and family who love coming to Gran Canaria. And I'll catch you on the very next video.